Hi, Joshua.
Ah!
Ang bango mo.
Your boy Armin, welcome back again dito sa Amoy Piranyan. So for today's episode, we're going to test it out and ask random college students dito sa bandang Sambeda, CEU, and... Okay, La Consolacion. So tingnan natin kung which one is the OG and which one is the dupe. One is the OG, which is Gentle Fluidity Silver, and one of the best alternatives, which is the dupe, Barak Silver. What's your name, miss?
Mika,
Mika. Anong course tinitake mo?
architecture.
Architecture. Anong year na?
Architect na.
Architect na! Wow! Congratulations! Okay. Do you love perfumes?
I think so. Distinct yung smell.
Mm-hmm.
Which is hindi ko pa totally nahanap din. Yung,
Ah,
kung ano
okay.
yung magandang amoy ng... Kapag amoy ko to, si Architect Mika to. Ganun.
Oh! Now you can smell it? Sniff it? Okay.
Ito yung OG.
OG yan.
OG.
Okay. Can you describe the smell? Do you feel attracted pag naaamoy mo ba yan?
Well, yes, kasi personally, hindi ako fan ng medyo ma-strong yung smell.
Okay.
So at least yung paint lang na habol-habulin mo. So this is a lighter, this is a lighter scent.
Okay. Is 2 yung napili mo, green flag or red flag si 2? Pag lalaki nagsuot nito. Honest.
Pwedeng red flag yung guy kasi parang, oh, you smell like a girl na, pero parang, ano yan, perfume ba yan ng girlfriend mo or yung other girl mo? So possible.
May mga ganun scenario din,
Pwede
ha?
siyang red flag. This one would be a green flag kasi at least mas distinct na panlalaki lang. Ganun.
Okay.
There's a certain scent lang.
Oh,
Pero
okay.
ito, parang kapag sinuot to ng boyfriend mo or husband mo, parang, bakit may babae ka? Bakit parang light yung smell mo? And bakit mabango ka?
Patay tayo dyan,
Ayun.
miss. Okay. Which one do you recommend for our audience? Number 1 or 2?
Personally, would recommend number 2.
Okay.
Both genders eh. Hindi lang siya, unlike si number 1, medyo distinct yung smell niya for guys.
Okay.
Si number 2, if you're looking for a lighter scent, mahabol-habulin mo na scent eh.
Uy!
Na ano siya eh, gawin kapag nadaan ka, uy, ang bango.
Ang bango.
So, titingin ka lang, pero hindi siya yung pag inamay mo, uy, ang sangsang. So, ganon.
Oh, okay.
Siya. I would recommend number 2.
Since 2 yung pinili mo, what is your final ratings about it for our audience?
My final rating would be, 10 out of 10.
Okay, interesting. And number 1?
And number 1 would be 8.
Napili niya yung number 2, she is wrong. Kala niya yun yung OG. That's just Barak Silver, which is one of the best dupes ng OG.
Oh.
Alam mo ba sino pa ba nagsusuot nitong artista na sikat?
Sino?
Joshua Garcia.
Hi, Joshua.
Ah!
Ang bango mo.
Like, comment, and follow for more contents. Love y'all.